Greetings, car fanatics. I'm making a quick video to show other Porsche 997 owners how to fix the window that can malfunction on the car. So when you open the door on the car, the window drops down, and that allows the window to clear this trim piece over here so you can open the door. Now what can happen is when the unit malfunctions inside the door panel over here, this glass won't actually stay down. It'll pop back up, so when you go to close the door, the window will be up and you won't be able to close the door. Now if you put the door handle up slightly like this, that window should drop and you should be able to close the door. But let me show you how to fix it. So originally when this happened to me, I purchased a spare latch here for the switch. This is really the culprit. So that switch is right here. Now what you can do if you're having this issue is spray a little bit of WD-40 and then cycle this latch several times. So basically just take your finger, cycle the latch back and forth, and I did this probably 20 or 30 times to let the WD-40 penetrate, and then it would kind of solve the problem in the short term, but then the problem would kind of come back. But eventually, after using it enough times, the problem went away completely and the window works perfectly. Now if this doesn't work, you could pull the door card and replace the latching unit over here. There's basically a micro switch that can go bad, but I think in many people's cases it's because for whatever reason the micro switch isn't being activated. So putting a little bit of WD-40 in here, cycling it, just gets everything working again. So if your car is having that issue, go ahead and give the WD-40 trick a try. It's definitely a much easier way to try to fix your door than to buy one of these and then take the whole door card apart just to replace that. Well, thanks for watching, Car Fanatics. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave me comments or questions below, and be sure to hit the bell notification icon so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.